My name is Elena and I live in Portland, Connecticut. Honestly, I looked at the Better Business website and that was the first clue on how many great reviews are on there. That's how I found you. I had severe basement flooding, sometimes 2 to 3 feet when it rained really hard, and I was very worried about the house. So right from the start, when I applied for an online application, just to kind of get started, the first person that called me on the phone called me within a few hours. She was wonderful, walked me through the whole process, super friendly. Then getting a beautiful book in the mail was awesome to be able to educate myself on what was coming. Talking with Bill, my rep, he was amazing. He came out 2 or 3 times because I had so many questions and he took the time with me, which was so nice. And then the foreman, Cisco, stayed here until 8 o'clock at night, finishing the job. They never stopped. They were such hard workers. And Bill came back to make sure the job was all set. I could sleep at night. Every time it rained, I couldn't sleep. It's been so dry. The house smells so much better inside. I don't have to worry about mold and mildew with my children and my animals. It's been wonderful. The people and the quality. The quality of the work was outstanding, and the people that I've met at every turn were wonderful. How thorough you are, which is really, really great to see. I spoke with a few other contractors and they did not give me as much time and energy and patience through the whole process, and the education level. There was never anything left out. I loved being educated on every step that was going on.